Hello beautiful people, I am Summer Eyes. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for coming again. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and join the family. Today we're going to be doing a continuation of my other wig videos. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you my cheapest wig orders, and I'm talking about from 10,000 naira downwards, not upwards, downwards, down to about 2,800 naira. Oh, and I have a tip for you on how to get these wigs for these prices, so make sure you watch to the end of the video. Also, you also want to do yourself a very good favor and go and check all of my previous videos on these wigs, because the kind of tea, the kind of juicy details that I have shared in those videos, you don't want to miss it. If you want affordable deals, make sure you go and check out those videos. And if you are somebody that has anxiety about ordering online because they have run you streets before, make sure you check out those videos. So without further ado, let us get right into it. So here's the first wig from Josie Hairs, and this I got for 9,000 naira. So here's the wig unit. It's a middle part wig, nothing special, just the same. It's a really big cap. This is what the hair is looking like. It's very soft. The density is just like, is everything. Like, look how full it is. I've used this one for a few times and the curls are still very vibrant, very much alive. Look, very beautiful, very soft. Next we have a dark roots honey blonde wig that went for 7,500 naira. So the next is a wig from Ola's Beauty. This one came with some major defects in the style, but it's 6,500 naira. It's soft, it's beautiful.
Can you see this beautiful 20 inches, two-tone, dark brown, straight fringe? It's human blend, going for 4,500 naira. You can straighten it. Very lovely and very sleek. very soft. Thank you.
Also by Ola's Beauty. It's a fringe brown highlight wig, and I got it for 4,500 naira. The only thing I have issues with is this. I don't really like the bangs, but other than that, the hair itself is soft, it's beautiful, it's just lovely. So here it is. So here's our next wig, and it's by Newt. It's a short bob fringe wig. So here's the next wig, also from Hair by Newt, and it's a blonde bob fringe wig, and I absolutely love it. I love the color, love the softness. It's just gorgeous in every way. Is 4,000 naira. I think I should show you the inside real quick. Next wig from 7K Hairs. Let's open this one together. This is 2,800, and it's a short bob highlight wig. Alright guys, you have seen them for yourself. What do you think? Let me know what your thoughts are about each of these wigs in the comment section down below. And by the way, I have no personal affiliation with any of these vendors. I just ordered from them so that I can show these wigs to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget the other videos. There are lots of tips about buying wigs online, so make sure to check out these videos. And this is my final tip: to get some of these wigs for the lowest prices, you have to get them while they are on sales. So by the time you check the sellers pages, they may not be selling for these prices, but don't worry, chat them up and ask them when next they'll be running sales, and or just look out for their pages. They run these sales from time to time, so you would always get, if you don't get these particular ones, you see several others are running on sales. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.